something along the lines of something like a 4-against-3 polyrhythmic feel, which is fairly popular in polyrhythmic terms. So this means for drummers and non-drummers, I'm going to play 4 notes, even notes with one limb, and then 3 even notes with another. And you get this kind of idea. So on this one, I'm going to play 3, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So essentially I'm in 3/4 time. That's the easiest way. 4 against 3 is 4 even notes against 3 notes underneath. So it's in 3/4 times, so it's my 3 quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So my 4 is basically dotted 8th notes. So it's going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's how it works out. Yeah. We can maybe try this in a sec. Actually, if we get together, we'll have a polyrhythmic moment together. So what I would do with this, if I'm thinking, well, I'm sure at some stage I'm going to kind of maybe, in some kind of maybe African feel, or 6/8 kind of feel, I'm going to maybe try that 4 against 3. So therefore, to practice 4 against 3, I'm going to play my feet. I'm going to play the 4 on the bass drum, just play quite soft for the moment. Okay. Then I'm just going to improvise with some different stickings over it. So play some singles, some doubles, some paradiddles. For non-drummers, these are just what we call rudiment stickings or patterns, where you play combinations of right and left, double strokes, single strokes, put some accents in. And then I'll go through maybe some flam routines or just a few flams. Then I might play some odd groupings, some odd groups of notes, or 5. Then I might play what we call some modulation, some metric modulation, which is just a rhythmic it's a rhythmic theory where you get different rates of notes, so you superimpose the time. I would do all of that against the feet just to see how it goes, and I'll do a little bit now. And maybe the first time I looked at this, and for some time after, it was all over the place. It was like, and then it got a little bit easier. And what that did was give me the freedom to maybe use that as a rhythmic design. And then, even if I'm not using a set pattern, it just gives me that freedom if I'm playing in a. There's a little bit of it in the Yellow Jackets tune that I just played. There's a little bit of 4/3 in there, which is more musical. It didn't sound like an exercise, it was just like a musical, an expressive thing. So any good practice on a theme is beneficial practice. So this is how I might practice a 4/3. And if you just keep your mind on, I'm playing 4 with my feet and 3 with my right foot, and 3 on the hi-hat. And I'm just going to mess around with my hands, play some stickings. I'll do it as an exercise first of all, so you can hear the kind of almost like a military exercise thing going on. And then I'll just kind of loosen up a bit, and we'll see how it sounds. It's that kind of idea. It's not